Restore snapshots, data backups and restoring. Snapshot play a key role in data protection and data ability and are the major component of the Google Cloud backup architecture. The snapshot are taken incredibility, allowing user to create point in the time backup and save time to Google Cloud storage. This article detailed how to perform the basic function of Google Cloud Snapshot and explained how they work, including creating an host snapshot for the presentation disks and using the snapshot scheduler to automatically backup presentation disks in the post. Also cover best practice and demonstration how NetApp's cloud volume on taps can boost performance and reduce snapshot storage cost. Computing engine, a Google Cloud service that allow user to deploy and to manage Google Cloud instance. The service involves different backup policies, and it is important to get accurate with the various options. In this post, we will take a look at Google Cloud Snapshot and how to use it. Google Cloud Computing Engine Snapshot are the often selected as the method of perform quick and pre-locked disk backup using a step-by-step guide. The article will show you how to create and restore a present tense disk snapshot that is associated with a Google Cloud instance. It will also divide into how deploy Google Cloud with the cloud volumes on tap, offer even more more backups and cabinet from the Google Cloud Store. Google Cloud Computing Engine is how to guide here. One of the service people acquiring Google Cloud perform this computer engine. The service enable customer to deploy and manage Google Cloud instance of simple virtual machine instance and the cornerstone of computing Google Cloud with the key of Google Cloud backup policies. Thus, using the service involved the store for each virtual machine to provide by individual Google Cloud precedent disks. They haven't under to hood, but the word precedent is often a cause of confusion among the people new to the public cloud. After all, when you terminate and the instant it is storing disks, also the automatically delete any default date. When the deletion default behavior can be changed to rename the present disks on option to offer people for the quicker and periodic backup for the disks of Google Cloud Snapshot. There are different options of the